Hey everyone, it's Jason Pannone, Head of Reference and Cultural Assets Manager here at the East Hartford Public Library. For this installment of Raiders of the Lost Archive, I'm going to show you some photographs that we have in our collection that I believe are from the late 19th century that shows a group of workers. I don't know where they are, probably Hartford, maybe not. But what they're doing is they are sorting and packing broadleaf tobacco to be sent off to be made into cigars. It's kind of a neat snapshot of the late 19th century. You can see the men and women in their rather formal dress, men with the starched collars and bowler hats, working in these warehouses and these factories, sorting the leaves and then packing them. There's also a picture you'll see of a horse-drawn wagon. I'm guessing is pulling tobacco. But again, there's no date or any information I can find on the photographs, which unfortunately kind of stinks. But I think it's a neat snapshot of the late 19th century and just shows that, both men and women were involved in the sorting and picking of tobacco. It wasn't just the growing that occupied people. It was also, there were people who were part of the processing of it to become cigars and other smoking paraphernalia. And again, as I always say, we are not in any way, shape, or form promoting, condoning smoking tobacco products of any kind. It's a part of our town's history of East Hartford and of the Connecticut River Valley. And it deserves to be well known because it really is, as I've said in other episodes, it's important not only to the economy of East Hartford, but to things like the civil rights movement, like I've said before, Martin Luther King Jr. and many of his workers in the civil rights movement who worked in Connecticut during their summers as part of their work study were really inspired in being able to work with all sorts of different kinds of people and seeing that, look, integration works here, why can't it work on a national scale? So anyway, just take a few minutes and look at these photographs. They're kind of neat. And if you have any questions, as always, let me know. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this short video. It is very short this week. And we'll see you next time. So until then, please be safe, always wear masks, wash your hands off, and practice safe social distancing, and be well. See you later. Bye.